previous class had taken passive voice, and that is taken in 4 parts. Only one part is being released. Others are yet to come. Today I am going to take question tag. That means you are scoring 1 more marks. You are close to 20. You are very close to 20. And question tag. Normally it is used in conversation. But this question is always for the PSC and UPSC. Let us begin with a positive statement takes a negative tag, and a negative statement takes a positive tag. You understood? For example, it is very cold today. It is very cold today. The helping verb is. The sentence is positive. Therefore, the tag is negative. Helping verb is. Isn't. Then the subject of the sentence will become the subject of the tag. Isn't it? It is not very cold today. That is a negative sentence. Therefore, it must be positive. Is it? Then question mark. Is it? We have plenty of time. The helping verb is have. So, the tag is the sentence is positive, the tag is negative. Having we had much time. We had much time. Then you have to say hadn't we. Then when a negative idea is being projected, we have to use negative verbs. In negative idea too, we have to use negative verbs. For example, none of the food was wasted. None of the food was wasted. Was it? Was it? Question mark. We saw no one we knew. That is a negative idea. No one. Therefore, you have to say did we. Likewise, few, little, seldom, scarcely, hardly, they are supposed to be negative. They are supposed to be negative. So, you have to use only a positive tag. For example, few people knew the answer. Few people knew the answer. Knew, past tense. Few, negative. But did. Then the sentence is negative. So you have to use the subject. You have to use the word did. Knew, past tense. Subject is they. But did they? A few and a little are positive. A few and a little are positive. A few people know the answer. A few people know the answer. So you have to use don't they. Don't they. This present tense. So you have to use don't they. Then I am older than you. I am older than you. But the thing is, you must be very careful when you answer it. Don't say aren't I. You have to say aren't I. Aren't I. I am a man. Aren't I. I am not a man. That is negative. That is negative. So you have to use am I. Question mark 2. That you must remember. She looks ill. There is no helping verb in the sentence. So looks. If there is a suffix in the sentence, that means if there is s, you can use only does. doesn't she, doesn't she. Then he played cricket, played past tense. Therefore, didn't he, didn't he. I never drink tea. That is a never is negative. So you have to say do I question mark, do I. She looks ill, doesn't she. Everybody, everyone eats. They are supposed to be singular. Each, everybody, everyone, enniva, ekavajanamana. But in tag, the answer is they. So, how we'll answer it? Everybody has gone to Chennai. Has gone to Chennai. Everybody is followed by singular. But in tag, it is always plural. So, we have to write having they. Everyone has gone to Chennai. Everyone. We will use only singular. But in tag, the answer is plural. That also is having the. Then, if one is the subject of the statement, the tag has one as subject. If one is the subject of the statement, the tag one as subject. One must do one's duty. One must do one's duty. But must is the helping verb. It is positive. Mustn't one. Mustn't one. One must not be very reticent. One must not be reticent. Reticent means what? Reticent, less talkative, taciturn. One is reluctant to talk. Therefore, it is a negative sentence. One must not be very reticent. So, we have to use must one. Then question mark. Then another method. The introductory there is repeated in the tag. The introductory there is repeated in the tag. For example, there is no blackboard in the class. There is no blackboard in the class. Helping verb is. Introductory verb, introduction is introductory. The verb is there. Is there. Is there. Then there are 40 students in the class. There were 40 students in the class. Where helping verb were positive. Then the answer is negative. Where in the there? Where in there? Regarding they have a Benz car. That means possession or ownership. Whenever we say possession or ownership, we have to use the same helping verb. Having they had a grand house in London. They had a grand house in London. That also is possession. Hadn't they? Likewise, I have a cross pen. I have a cross pen. Haven't I? Haven't I? When have, had is used to eat and have, had is used to eat, the tag takes a do verb. Do verb. For example, they usually have breakfast at 7. They usually have breakfast at 7. Well, that's a positive sentence, but at the same time, we must use only do verbs because it is related with the eating. So the answer is don't they. Don't they. She has bread and butter for breakfast. he has bread and butter for breakfast? Answer is doesn't she. Doesn't she. Next method, imperative method. It is very important. Whenever say we imperative sentence, there is no need of analyzing positive or negative. You can say will you. Will you is the answer. Give me a glass of water. Give me a glass of water. That is an imperative sentence. What do you mean by imperative? It is in the form of a request or command. Give me a cup of water. Will you? Close the door. Will you? Please pay the fees. Will you? But if there is urgency, atyavishakata, or caution, you have to use on due. If there is urgency, atyavishakatayo, caution, സൂക്ഷ്മതയോ ഉണ്ട് എങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഓൺ ഡ്യൂ ഉപയോഗിച്ചേ പറ്റൂ. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, have some more pudding. Have some more pudding. On due. Answer is on due. Then be careful while driving the car. Be careful while driving the car. On due. Question mark. If there is impatience or rebuke, can't you must be used. Rebuke means എന്താണ്? Rebuke വഴക്കുറയുക. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഇംപേഷ്യൻസ്, ക്ഷമയില്ലായ്മ, അല്ല ദേഷ്യം എന്ന് വരുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ can't you മാത്രമേ ഉപയോഗിക്കാവുള്ളൂ. Stop your nonsense. Answer is can't you question mark. Then shut your mouth. Can't you. Then when we use let us, the answer is shall we. When we use let us, the answer is shall we. Let us play cricket. Shall we? Let us go to temple. Answer is shall we. If it is let me, the answer is let me go to church. Shall I? Shall I? Regarding anyone, someone, nobody, anybody, tag will have they. No one know the answer. No one know the answer. No one negative. So do they. So let us wind up. Let us call it a day. Okay. Thank you. We can see in the next class.